How to log in Telegram without email. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into Telegram without your email, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into Telegram without email, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure that you basically launch a Telegram application. Now Telegram app does not require you to enter your email, so if you have been talking about you want to log in with email, of course you don't need your email address to log in. You can just tap the start messaging option that you can find over here, and all you have to do is make sure to go on about entering phone number here and then just hit the arrow icon. As you can see, all it will ask you is just simply enter the activation code that will get sent to your phone number, and once you enter the activation code you can simply enter them, hit the arrow button, and then from there on you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into Telegram without your email. But bottom line is that Telegram doesn't require you to enter your email to log in. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.